Okay, so hello everyone. I am again back with one more example or one more part of inbuilt function in Python, that is reduce function. So I'm writing over here reduce in Python. Okay, so basically, what is the meaning of reduce function? From the word itself only, we can say like if many things are given, like a is equal to there is one list 100, 200, 300, 400. So there are many elements, and you want your answer in a one single unit or a reduced form, then you can use the reduce function. So basically, this function will reduce the sequence of elements into a single element, only one answer, by applying some condition or some logic, we can say. Okay, and second thing which you all have to remember is like in map function or in lambda function or maybe in filter function, we have never used any import statement, but to use reduce function we need to import the functools module. The name of the module is functools. See, I'm writing in the first line only that from functools import reduce. So that is the first line that you have to write, that from the function tool you have to import reduce. So now I will write over my program also. A equal to, as I said, 100, 200, 300, 400. So right now I have four elements. Okay, and reduce function will give me answer into a single element. Okay, one element you can say. So how it will give me the answer? For example, b is equal to, and I'm using the name of that inbuilt function, that is the reduce. And again, just like map function and filter function, here also we will have two parameters. One parameter will be your function. Okay, if it is normal function, then you can write the name of that function, so it will jump to that part. And if it is lambda function, then you can write your code here only, like lambda, suppose two arguments x comma y, and then I will write for example x plus y, and we are done with the lambda function or first parameter, and our list is stored in variable a. So actually what is going to happen over here is, from a, initially two numbers 100, or you can say first two numbers, actually first two numbers will be given to x and y, and what they are doing is addition of these two numbers, so it is 100 plus 200. So answer of first and two is 300. Okay, that is the answer. So after that it will process the next only one number, because we already have an answer of previous two number. So answer of previous two, that is first and second, is 300. Again 300 will be stored in x, that is our answer. And your third element, next element, will be stored in y, and it becomes 300 plus 300, 600. That is our again new answer. Then next time it will store 600 in x and 400 in y, so that it becomes 600 plus 400, and answer will be 1000. Now after that, in a we do not have any element, so that single answer as we are talking about, that is 1000, will store in which variable? B. So now if I write print B, sorry, not here, print B, let's check out the output of this. See, you will get only one value or one answer if you are using, what you can say, this function reduce. So now I'm coming to the main part, that is what is the difference between filter, map and reduce. First we'll tell you about the map. So map function will transform every element of an array individually and create a new array. So 100, 200, 300, 400, and it will transform, means do some modification, and it will create one more array, that is new array 110, then 210, 310, 410. Filter will remove the elements that are not required, and it will create a new array. the things which we require with that. And reduce will reduce your array elements, all the elements, into a single value. So that is only the difference between, you can say, map, reduce and filter. In my next video, we'll be focusing about recursive function, recursion. Okay. So thank you everyone.